Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra. So, we had already discussed about the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now, based on the nature of the solvent, the solution can be divided into two categories. When water is used as a solvent, the resulting solution is called aqueous solution. When the solution made by dissolving the solute in water, then the resulting solution is called aqueous solution. Like when sodium chloride dissolved in water, the resulting solution is called aqueous solution. When the solution is prepared using the solvent other than water, then it is called non-aqueous solution. So when the solvent is used other than water, then it is called non-aqueous solution. Like when sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide, the resulting solution is called non-aqueous solution. Iodine is dissolved in ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol is here act as a solvent and iodine act as a solute. And the resulting mixture, resulting solution is called tincture. Iodine plus ethyl alcohol is called tincture. So this is a non-aqueous solution. Now, in chemistry, most of the chemical reaction is carried out in solution. In pharmaceutical industry, medicines are prepared with the help of chemicals. So obviously, there is a need to calculate the amount of solute present in a given solvent or in a given solution. So this is nothing but it is called concentration of solution. What is the concentration of solution? Concentration of solution, the amount of solute present in a given solvent or in a given solution, or the volume of solute present in a given solvent or in a given solution is called concentration of solution. Hopefully, is it clear to all of you? What I said, what is the concentration of solution? The amount of solute present in a given solvent or in a given solution is called concentration of solution. So now the method to find out the concentration of solution. How do we find the concentration of solution? How do we find out the amount of solute present in a given solution? If you see that when you buy the medicine from the medicine shop, any cup syrup or any type of medicine, you see the composition is written. That composition is nothing but gives the idea about the concentration of that medicine. So one of the method by which we find out the concentration of solution is mass by mass percentage method. So concentration of solute in a solution concentration of solute in a solution equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Concentration of solute in solution equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. The next method, mass by volume percentage method. Concentration of solute in solution equals to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Next, volume by volume percentage method. Volume by volume percentage method. Concentration of solute in solution is equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Let us now we apply this by taking some numerical. So let us apply let us find out the concentration of solution. Like the question is 50 gram sodium chloride is dissolved in 150 gram of water. Find the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution, mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Why do we select this method? Because here solute is in gram and solvent is also in gram. So solute and the solvent can also be defined. In a solution, the amount which is larger, that is considered as a solvent, and whose amount is lesser is considered as also solute. So here 50 gram is the mass of solute and 150 gram is the mass of solvent. So put the value here, mass of solute 50 into 100 divided by mass of solution. Here 150 gram of water, this is the mass of solvent, but in the formula there is a mass of solution and solution equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So 150 plus 50. So 50 by 200 into 100, after solution it comes 25%. So it means the concentration of solution of this solution is 25%. So if in a solution it is marked as the concentration 25%, it means 25 gram solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. 25% concentration means 25 gram solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution, or 25 gram of solute is dissolved in 75 gram of solvent. Often question comes for 1 mark. A solution has concentration marked 25%. What does it mean? It means 25 gram solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution, or 25 gram solute is dissolved in 75 gram of solvent. Let us focus for next numerical. 20 milliliter acetone is dissolved in 180 milliliter of carbon tetrachloride. Find the concentration of solution. So here the amount of solute is in a volume. Milliliter is the unit of a volume. Here also the quantity of solvent is also in a volume. So let us apply volume by volume percentage method. So concentration of solution equals to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. We have 20 milliliter volume solute, put the value of 20 here. By volume of solution, just we have discussed solution equals to solute, solvent plus solute, 180 plus 20 into 100. So after solution it comes 10%. It means concentration of solution is 10%. Hopefully you understood all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.